Hi, this is John with Hunto's Garage, and here's this week's DIY confession. Look out! My DIY confession starts with my wife's brakes on her 2014 Chevy Equinox. She was going out of town for a week, so I had a week or possibly 10 days to get the brakes done. In the meantime, I thought I'd shoot a video on how to change the brake pads on a Chevy Equinox. Today we're talking about brakes. Well, I procrastinated and left it open, tires off the front jacked up, and had to take the rotors down to get the rotors turned from my buddy Mario. Now these are what freshly turned rotors look like. I want to thank Mario at Mario's shop for helping me out with this. I really appreciate it. So I get the rotors back, get them on, and then I throw everything together the night before she came in, planning on using her car to go pick her up the next day. So I went, picked her up, put all the brakes back together, went, picked her up, brought her back, everything's okay. The next day she calls me and tells me she hears something jingling, like something fell off in the front of her car when she was on the way to work. So I immediately thought I'd done something weird. So I asked her, is the car stopping okay? Is there any problems? Yeah, but it just feels funny. Okay. So I come home and check the car out, and I see there's a bolt missing in one of the calipers. So I went looking for it. I asked her, called her on the phone, asked her, where were you when you heard this? I went down there looking up and down this street, which is not far from the house. And lo and behold, I found a bolt. Not the bolt, but a bolt that had obviously been out there for quite some time. And it fit, which is pretty good. It fit. So, moral of the story is, number one, make sure you tighten every bolt. Don't walk away from a loose bolt. And number two, don't tell my wife. And don't tell my wife I'm using her kitchen towels in the garage. If you've got a DIY confession you'd like to share, I'll put links in the description. Hit me up and I'll send you a link to upload it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.